Today, I'm going to show you how to see your current active sessions on X, formerly Twitter, so you can quickly check where your account is logged in and review any devices or sessions you may want to sign out of. This is a simple but important privacy and security check, especially if you log in on multiple phones, tablets, or computers. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, open X and look at the left navigation bar. At the bottom or near the sidebar, click More. This opens the full menu with additional account options. From there, click Settings and Privacy. On the Settings page, look for Security and Account Access and select it. This section contains the tools you need to manage your account security, login activity, and connected access. Next, click Apps and Sessions. This is where X keeps track of your connected apps and current login sessions. Once you're in that menu, click Sessions. Here you'll be able to see your active sessions and review the devices or locations currently accessing your account. Take a moment to check everything carefully. If you see anything unfamiliar, this is where you can take the next steps to protect your account. That's it. You now know how to check your current active sessions on. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.